Deleting an Etrade account involves several steps and may require contacting Etrade directly. Here's how to close your account. Log into your Etrade account. Visit the Etrade website and log in using your username and password. Transfer or withdraw funds. Before closing your account, ensure that all funds are withdrawn or transferred to another account. Go to the Accounts tab, select Transfer Money, and follow the instructions to move your funds. Check for open positions. Make sure all trades are settled and there are no open positions. Close any open trades or positions and ensure your account balance is zero. Contact Etrade customer service. Navigate to the Help or Customer Service section on the Etrade website. You may need to call their customer service number or send a secure message requesting account closure. The customer service team will provide instructions and may require you to complete verification steps. Confirm account closure. Follow the instructions provided by Etrade to confirm the closure. You might receive a confirmation email once the account is officially closed. Check for final details. Ensure you receive any final statements or documents related to your account closure.